In this video, I'll show you how to fold flat the back seats of your BMW X5. This is the first gen, but it works even with the new models. So you're gonna find on the corner of the back seats a lever that you need to push, and you're gonna see a red color coming out like that. Simply lower the seats manually by pushing it down. Don't forget to remove anything that is on the seat cushion. Let me do it on this side as well. So you see, same thing, gonna push on this latch and you're gonna bring the seat down this way. If you have a cargo cover in the way, it has a button that you need to press to release it. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand since I'm holding the camera, but this way you'll be able to remove it. Okay, the other side does not have a latch. You can put it on the side this way. And now you have a lot more space in your X5 to carry big stuff. To put back the seat, simply bring it back manually and make sure there is no color red over there. It simply means that it's locked. You can even push on it a bit, make sure that it stays in place. Do the same thing on the other side and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.